Hello, welcome back to Smart Money TV. I want to appreciate my returning subscriber for always coming here. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Miracle. I create content on how you can earn money online as an affiliate marketer, as a crypto trader, and online income. So if any of this content resonates with you, I would love if you can subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell on so that you will not miss any of my upcoming updates. Now in today's video, I want to show you how you can earn money online by doing some little micro jobs online. So the amazing thing that is there is that it is absolutely free. So everything you'll be doing on the website, it is free. So the link to the website is available in the description button. Now without wasting much of your time, I would like to take you down to the website. Welcome back. So the name of the website is picoworkers. The link is available on the description button, and as I have said, it is available in almost all continents. So if you are watching from US, if you are watching from Ghana, or if you are watching from Asia, from Europe, from America, from Africa, this website is just for you. So this website have been around over 1 year ago, and it has been paying a lot of people, and there are some many tasks you can do here. As you can see that it is available globally. You can see international, Asia, USA, Western Africa. So it's almost available everywhere in the world. So what basically you'll be doing on this platform is some micro jobs, and you can also meet some influencer people on this website. So about the referral programs, you can also invite your friends and earn 5% commission in any of their earnings. So but to withdraw money on this platform, it is absolutely free as well. So the referral is not compulsory. The referral is optional. So I want you to give this video a like, and if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you will not miss any of my updates. Now I want you to stay with me and show you how you can do the registration and how you can apply for a job on this platform and how you can submit your proof and get approved. Click on sign up. So you need to fill your real name. Make sure you put your real name, put a valid email address, generate password for yourself, put your nickname, and when you get here, make sure you put it in I am a worker, and you click on this agreement and you click on sign up. So I have already signed up, so I just have to log into my account. So after registration, make sure you go to your email to activate your account. The link will be sent to your email. Log into the email to activate your account. So when you are done with the activation, you can go to the menu bar to complete your profile as well. If you click on the menu bar here, you can go to my accounts. So if there is anything you are yet to do, you can set it up. You can set up your profile picture, then cross check others. If it is correct, then you are good to go. Now to apply for any micro jobs, you need to click on job level. So guys, I want you to stay with me so that you will not miss any of these things. Click on job level. So make sure you select starter as a starter. You click on apply. You can click on category and select any category. So but I will advise you to just leave the category. Then payment, you can also leave the payment here. Then location, make sure you select your location. Is very compulsory because you cannot do any task that is not in your country. So make sure you select. If you are in Africa, click on Africa. then click on apply. So the results, the available task will be displayed to you, and you can click on anyone and perform the task. So one of the things you should take note on this platform is that you cannot apply for jobs that is not within your country. Now, as you can see, this spam pay job is within Nigeria and Ghana. Okay, so let's move forward. Now, this GG work is available within Nigeria only, and this one is available in almost 10 countries. So before you apply, make sure it is available in your country. And for this, you can see that 95 people is needed and 72 has already executed the job. Now, to execute the job, you have to click here in order for you to execute the job. So make sure you read the instructions. Make sure you read it very well. These are the instructions, what you are expected to do. Make sure you read it, go through it. Then once you are done, click on accept. So if you are yet to download PalmPay, you can do this work. Once you are done, you can go ahead and submit. This is the website. This is the link you will use to log in to register. And if you know it will take you up to 5 or 10 minutes, make sure you click on hold job. So you need to hold this job, and when you are doing that, they will deduct some little percent from your money, from the money you'll be collecting, and that is it right there. So when you hold it, you will have time to do the task and submit your proof. But if you know that it won't take your time, you can just go ahead and do it, then submit your proof. And you can also type. If you have any comments, you can type it, and once you are done, you click on submit proofs. So when you submit the proof, it will bring a thumbs up that your task has been submitted. Then once you are done, your pending payment will be displayed here, and once your job is approved, your money will move here. So this is what you will be doing on this platform. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. So once you are up to $5, your payment will be sent. You can withdraw your money, and your payment will be sent within 10 days. So this is what you'll be basically doing on this channel for free. So I want you guys to start doing something and earn money for yourself. So to withdraw your money, click on wallet, and if you have any pending payment, you'll be able to set up your transaction payment, and your money will be sent within 10 business days. So on this note, I will say thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.